Welcome to Little Champs Learning. We are an ISO certified and government certified institute.
Hello, I really like the upcoming method which gives us a very easy way to multiply a number with different digits of 9. Of course, having to do this don't really happen too often, but the way this works and the fact that no matter how big the number is, it makes one to teach you this method. So, I am talking about multiplication by 9. In this series, we will be having two cases. The first case will be equal digits of 9 and the second case will be less digits of 9. Let me elaborate and let me explain what do you understand by these two methods. If you observe these numbers closely, what you will find out that in the first example, I need to multiply 464 times 999. In this particular question, you will see the number of digits, which are 3 in this case, are equal to the number of the digits which you need to multiply. So, number of digits are equal to the number of digits are equal to the number of digits of the number to be multiplied. Now, if you see the second case, what you will find out, number of 9s are 3, but the number to be multiplied is having only 2 digits. So now you can get what exactly is called equal digits and what it is called to be less digits. When we talk about equal digits, the number of digits to be multiplied is equal to number of 9. When we talk about less digits, the number of digits are less than the number of 9s. Now, how to get the answer very quickly by doing speed mathematics? So there are two steps. First part of the answer can be obtained by subtracting 1 from the question. The second part of the answer can be obtained by applying all from 9, last from 10 to the question. Okay. To say this is your first question, 465 multiplied by 999. Now, to do this and to get the answer very quickly, as I said, two steps. The first step says just deduct 1 from your question. So, your question is 465, you need to subtract 1. So, first part of your answer is just done. Now you are left with the last part. So you need to do what this statement is saying, all from 9, last from 10. Basically this is a subtraction. So this number to be subtracted from 9, this number to be subtracted from 9, and this is the last number which needs to be subtracted from 10. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3 and 10 minus 5 is 5. Yes, you are done with your answer. Let's see few more examples. Suppose if you have 585 times 999, you just need to do first step. Simply subtract 1. 585 minus 1 will end up giving you 584. Then all from 9. Means 9, 9 and 10. So all from 9 less from 10, 9 less 5, 4, 9 less 8, 1 and 10 less 5 is 5. So you have your answer. Now I am not going to say so many things here, just do it one less. Now all from 9 less from 10, 9 less 3 will give you 6, 9 less 7 will give you 2 and 10 less 8 will give you 2. So done with this. Till now we are doing the first case only where the number of digits are equal to the number of 9. So now you have quite huge number which will end up giving you a very big answer too. So less 1, all from 9 less from 10. And you are done. Now let's do 6546 less 1. Now we have to apply 6546 under all from 9 less from 10. That means you need to subtract all the digits from 9 except the last digit. So 9 less 6, 3, 9 less 5, 4, 9 less 4, 5, 10 less 4, 10 less 6, 4. So just done, and you just see such a huge question and the answer can be obtained so quickly. Isn't this amazing? Always remember, we are doing only 2 types in this type of 999 multiplication of 999. We are having 2 different cases. So this is the part of the second case which says the digits are less than the number of 9s you have to be multiplied. This is also very simple. I am just increasing a digit. I am adding a 0 in the beginning of the question. Now, so number of digits are 3 and number of 9s are the 3. Now, the same thing, less 1 in the question will end up giving you 32. And that is 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 10 minus 3 will give you 7. When you apply all from 9 less from 10, you need to consider all the digits. Now 678 less 1 will give you 677, and all from 9 less from 10 to all the digits. So you can see this is done. This is just so simple. In the different case, in the second case, we added just 1 0 to make the digits equal. This is the last pair of questions where you can see the digits are 2 as compared to 4 9s. I'm going to add 2 zeros to make the digit equal. Here you have digit 3 and with equal to 1 2 3 4 5 9s. So I am adding 2 zeros to make the digit equal. Now in the first question, I need to subtract 1. First part of my answer is achieved. Now I will do all from 9, last from 10 to get my answer, and here I have my first answer. In the second part, less 1 will end up giving you 785. Now all from 9 less from 10 to every digit in your question including zeros will end up giving you this. So very easy method. I am uploading many questions too. Along with this you will get a question sheets. Just apply those questions and do it. You will be really happy to do this method because you won't find such easy technique in a conventional system of mathematics.